Hi, I'm so glad you're here again. Today we're going to take a closer look at Cobra Pose. Cobra is a gentle and safe backbend, and you might already know it from sun salutations. It's a great posture for strengthening your back, opening your chest, and stretching your shoulders and belly. In this video, I'll show you two versions, the low Cobra and the full Cobra. I'll be sharing plenty of tips, so take your time and watch the video calmly, without rushing. Lie down on your belly. Rest your forehead gently on the mat. Place your hands under your shoulders. Fingertips face forward and line up with the front edge of your shoulders. Pull your elbows close to your sides. Your feet are hip-width apart. All 10 toes press into the mat, even your pinky toes. Ground the tops of your feet and your pelvis firmly into the mat. Let your tailbone draw toward your heels. Low Cobra. As you inhale, roll your shoulders back and slowly lift your upper body using the strength of your back, not your arms. Make sure your shoulders don't rise toward your ears. Instead, draw them down and away from the ears. Let your shoulder blades gently come together. Keep your neck long. Don't throw your head back. Let your neck stay in line with your spine. Your gaze is soft, looking slightly forward. Your elbows stay close to your body. No wings out to the sides. Now imagine your hands are glued to the mat, and you're trying to pull them back toward you. This draws your shoulder blades down toward your heels and lifts your chest a little more. Still just using your back, not your arms. To test this, lift your hands off the mat for 2 breaths. Notice how your back muscles are working and how your chest opens. As you exhale, slowly lower your upper body all the way down. Slide forward just slightly, as if you were trying to glide over the mat. Gently rock your hips from side to side. This relaxes your lower back. Full Cobra. Now place your hands a little farther forward. Press into your palms. Push your pubic bone and toes into the mat. With your next inhale, lift your upper body higher. Now your arms can help. Go only as far as feels comfortable. Remember, shoulders down, not up toward your ears. Just like in low Cobra, draw them away from your head. You can extend your arms more and maybe lift higher. But even at the top, don't lock your elbows. Keep a soft bend to maintain openness in your chest. Push your heart forward. Relax your back. Engage your core. Your abdominal muscles support your lower back. Tailbone reaches toward your heels. Glutes are soft, not squeezed. Look forward or gently upward, only if your neck feels okay. Make sure you're not tensing up here. Breathe deeply to open your chest. Create a long line from the crown of your head to your tailbone. Focus especially on creating length in your lower back. With your next exhale, lower your upper body slowly, and with as much length as possible. Now gently push yourself back into child's pose. Give your spine a lovely gentle stretch. This is Cobra Pose. As I said before, it's a wonderful way to build strength in your back. But be mindful to move from your upper spine, not your lower back. Keep your core engaged the whole time to support your posture. And I'll say it one more time. Your shoulders do not belong up at your ears. Keep drawing them down so your chest can stay open and free. If you enjoyed this session, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to VibeZen Daily, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a quick and calming yoga moment. At VibeZen Daily, we share short, effective yoga videos you can practice anytime, anywhere,